water's so clean I could probably drink it straight, but you know, I got a filter, so why risk it? Gravity pulls the water through the filter, fills up my jug. When the filter's new, it does about 1 liter a minute. It's pretty quick. Once you're done, you gotta go ahead and drain the whole thing. If it turns to ice inside your filter, then the filter won't work.
It's getting hot in here. Yesterday, it was cold even with my jacket on and the stove going full blast.
I think it's time for a little lunch break. I got this venison summer sausage that a friend gave me on the island of Molokai. Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, that's good. You gotta be really careful going down these trails. The moose like to walk on the ski trails and they'll kill you rather than get off it. This one